Hey everyone, this is a Lakewood 101, I think it is, box fan. I think this one also came from the trash a while ago, but I'm not sure where it came from. This one doesn't have the boombox cord, but it does have the PSC motor, so I guess it's like a transition model. There might be a date on the capacitor. Yeah, it's from 2000. Let's see if we can get some info about it. 200? Maybe this is a model 200? I'm not sure. It's either a 101 or whatever a 200 is. I've never heard of a 200 though. Now this fan, the plastic's getting pretty brittle on it, unfortunately. But it is a decent fan still. And I do like these. So we'll start it up on high. And this fan is pretty strong. Go to medium. Still quite strong. And here's low. And it goes quite quiet, which is really nice. And it's still blowing quite a bit of air. We'll go back to high. And off. Thank you for watching. Bye.